My report title is Development of an AI model education assessment tool, identifying and validation key factors through factor analysis. My name is Clearing. My major is Doctor of Philosophy in Education with specialization in education leadership. My occupation, ideological and political university teacher. My report has 3 parts. The first one, statement of the problem. The second part, conclusions. The last part is recommendations. Let me see the first part, statement of the problem. My SOP, to provide the theoretical guidance and practical suggestions for the development of model education standards in universities, ensuring they involve with AI advancements and benefit the overall growth of model education. First one, what are the important factors that must be considered in the development of model education evaluation using artificial intelligence? There are the challenges and opportunities for each university implement AI in model education evaluation. I think the results of this study contribute to a broad understanding of the role of AI. We must improving model education outcomes in universities. The second part, conclusions. They have 5 factors for development that can be considered in the development of model education, and these are training and support, ethical principles and guidelines, educational innovation, educational technology advancement, and acceptability and adaptability. The challenges of each one universities to implement AI in model education evaluation are data privacy, security, resource, or location, and accessibility, acceptance, and trust. And technical limitations. The fast development of artificial intelligence technology has supported many educational institutions to contemplate incorporating it into many elements of learning and evaluation, recognizing the potential of AI to improve model education evaluation. Each university must address the multiple obstacles that comes with its implementation. Notable among these problems include data privacy and security, resource allocation and accessibility, acceptance and trust, and technical limits. Addressing these difficulties is critical not just for the successful application for AI, but also for maintaining the integrity of the educational experience. The use of AI to access model education raises security concerns for data privacy and security. The gathering and analysis of student data, which range from from demographic information to performance measure increases the danger of data breaches and misuse. In a period of more sophisticated cyber threats, each university must prioritize the implementation of strong data protection systems. This involves using security data storage systems, encryption techniques, and stringent access controls to guarantee sensitive information is only accessible to authorized persons. Integrating AI into model education requires significant resource allocation, including technical infrastructure, training, and ongoing maintenance. Each university must perform a detailed analysis to determine the financial and logistical ramification of AI adoption. Budgetary constraints frequently impede such efforts, necessitating a collaborative approach resource distribution. I think the opportunities have the first one, technical advancements, improve accuracy, objectivity. The third, personalized learning. Recommendations. The last part, recommendations. 1. Board module competence in AI algorithms. 2. Engage stakeholders with training activities. 3. Pilot projects and feedback collection. 4. Ensure data privacy and compliance. 5. Education workshops and case studies. 6. Partnership with AI researchers. 7. Resource testing diverse datasets. 8. Manifest strategy for robot model education. Thanks for watching. That's all. Thank you.